right, Todd's back on this Tuesday.
Yeah.
So, yesterday. I was trying to get over yesterday morning. It was a little chilly.
It was.
But that's all right.
It was quite cold.
This morning, warmer morning than yesterday.
Yeah,
it's good.
Yeah, it is good. It's still going to be a pretty chilly day when you take it as a whole. I mean, this afternoon's high is going to be like 42.
Sunday River's opening today, right?
They are.
Yeah, they got some lifts open for people.
Yep.
If you have one of those special passes.
If you get one of those special passes, yeah, you can get up there and get your first runs of the season.
You got one of those passes?
I do not. No.
Really?
I wish.
Do they know who you are?
I don't
that's
think
why you
I don't
don't
think
have one of those
most
passes.
people are aware, and they shouldn't be either. So I'm just not a VIP.
I can call some people.
I know you know people.
I know some people
that know
there.
people.
I got people in.
I don't know that you know the person, but you know somebody who knows
I'm
that
probably
person.
related to the person who's in Newry right now.
Because you also are not that much of a VIP.
Oh
either.
God, no.
So
No. I would do this for you.
Well, that's sweet, and I would appreciate that. So there are some snow showers in our mountains right now, which is looking pretty nice because some of these resorts are opening up this week. Most of the flurry action is not near the coastline. It's up north in the mountains right now, so there'll be some scattered coatings around. Shouldn't be too much of a problem for the morning drive. Just don't be shocked if you see a flake or two floating around. It's a lot colder in northern and eastern Maine than in southern and western Maine. This is where clouds are. This is where they aren't. A lot colder for Millinocket, for Calais. Similar temperatures to yesterday in the mid-teens. Very weak system passing through the northeast right now. By this afternoon, it will be shoving off the coast, and high pressure will be working back in for the middle of our week, which means we'll see a lot of sunshine over the next several days, excluding parts of today, however. Across the south and west, we'll have cloudy skies with those scattered flakes. And then across the north and east, it's going to be bright, but a lot colder to start the day. For the middle of the day, not much changes. I think these clouds across the south and west are going to be stubborn in spots and really have a tough time burning off completely, while a lot of central, eastern, and northern Maine, you get bright sunshine. As we get through the afternoon and into the early evening, as you can see, most of us are mainly clear. It'll be dry too, so there won't be any problems for the evening commute. Our temperatures, however, will be dropping quickly from these numbers here into the 30s and eventually some 20s by tomorrow morning. We'll reach about 41 in Bangor and Bar Harbor. Waterville, Augusta, you're included in that as well. Lewiston 42, and then you've got mid-40s Freiburg south through Cumberland County and Portland, and York County and Sanford and Kittery. Up in the mountains and north, very little, if any, melting expected today. There won't be a ton of sunshine, except in the county where we'll get some. Normal high is 49. Again, a struggle. There is some good news. If you don't want this cold this early, we've got a warm-up coming our way, and we'll see our numbers climb back above 50 degrees on Thursday and Friday as this high moves off the coast. South to southwest winds will bring in that milder air. It will also, though, bring in some moisture, and there's going to be a lot of subtropical moisture off of the coastline of the southeast, and it looks like it's going to get sucked up into this front as this front passes through Friday night and Saturday. Friday's going to be a completely dry day. Clouds will be on the increase. Friday night, chance for showers. Looks like a much better chance and higher chance to get rain, and some of it may be on the heavy side on Saturday as this low goes by and then moves on out. We get colder air behind it. At the moment, the stripe of heaviest rain is just east of us here in Maine and New Hampshire, but it's really close. Timing of all the pieces coming together hasn't really been ironed out completely yet, so it's still possible that inches of rain end up over the state of Maine. Right now, we're shy of that, but not by much. There still will be some spots that do get a solid drenching Friday night and Saturday. So we're keeping a close eye on that time frame. A lot of the state could end up with some heavy rain. Marine forecast sees 1 to 3 feet, north wind 5 to 10 knots. So this morning it's cloudy. There's some flurries out there and snow showers. This afternoon a lot brighter, high temperatures in the lower 40s. Tomorrow's mostly sunny, mid 40s, and sunshine will be out on Thursday too after a few clouds around in the morning. We'll top 50 for the first time in several days. Friday will be breezy, but stays dry and mild, also in the 50s. We've got wet weather for our Saturday above 50 degrees, and then behind that, it cools off dramatically again. 40s on Sunday and 30s for highs to start Thanksgiving week. That's on Monday of next week. You okay?
Staring at Monday.
Yeah. A lot of Thanksgiving week looks pretty cold, to be honest.
Great.
Yeah.
All right.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Yep.